Yeah, hello. Here we have the new JBL GO 2 Bluetooth speaker, wireless. Now let's have a look at the features here pretty quick. So 5 hours of playtime, up to 5 hours, and then here IPX7 waterproof, so you can actually take it into the bathtub if you like. And what else? So yeah, I think it has like about a 2.5 hour charging time, like a full charge, and that comes like with a 730 milliamp battery. Okay, so let's take it out and have a closer look. Yeah, from here it looks pretty similar to the JBL GO 1. It's just a little bit more rounder. And now it has here this tab on the side that you can open up, and underneath there, that's where you found the that's where you can find the micro USB, here the charging port, and then also the auxiliary jack. And yeah, they're covered here by this tab, so that keeps it waterproof. You can see here on the side there's this seal here that prevents the water from coming in. And other than that, it looks pretty plain. Here the buttons are here on the top. So yeah, power, Bluetooth, volume up, down. Alright, so let's compare this here to the JBL GO, to the first version of the speaker. So you can see here exactly pretty much the same size. It's just the corners here, they are now rounded. And the new speaker seems to be like just maybe a tiny bit heavier than the first one, the old one. And here you have the ports are still at the same location, just it's covered now. And then what's missing in the JBL GO 2 here is the ability to connect like a strap. They took that off, they removed that. But other than that, it seems pretty similar. Okay, so then let's have a look what else comes with this here, the accessory box here. So you see here already there's the micro USB charging cable. It's peeking out here. Nice and orange. It's pretty short, maybe a foot long. Here, JBL branded. Yep, micro USB to USB. You plug that in right here. This is where you connect it. Pretty simple. Nothing new here. And then let's have a look at the paperwork here. What else is in there? So you have here safety instructions. And then the second part here, that's the warranty information. And then where's the quick start guide? There's usually a quick start guide that always comes with these speakers here. Let's have a look for that. I don't know where that is. Okay, here. It's still in the bag. Not a whole lot of information in here. Just the essentials, the button functionalities, then LED status, and then you can't plug in the USB cable when you want it to be waterproof. So yeah. Okay, yeah, that's already it here. Yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, then please leave a comment below, and check out all my other here JBL GO videos here. I'm linking to those here in the upper right corner. Check those out.